Mm. Yeah, I was over here trying to catch up, y'all. My bad, man. I ain't looked at my other phone all day. I missed calls, text messages, everything. Come on, Robert, let's go, man. I'm ready for you, man. He finna do it this time, y'all. Y'all take a look, watch out for Robert Vasquez, the Undertaker, man. Underdog, whatever it is. He's under something. Oh, that car been a no mercy. Tomorrow about to be a $20 an hour shift. Damn, you think I could do that, Twisted Soul? You won't. I don't know about going to no 2 events, man. Come on, man. I did that last time. It kind of didn't pay out for me. But I didn't do it on Twitch. I understand that's different. But still, man. My whole body. I need to work out. I ain't played basketball in so long. Ooh. I ain't drink. Ah, man, that liquor been stopping me from playing basketball. I ain't drinking no more tonight. I usually be hooping, but shit, every time I drink and go hoop, shit, boy, I be out of breath first game. I can't do it. I cannot do it. Too much sugar or something, that shit bothers me. Let me see if that helped this battery. Heck no, I got a weak battery charger, y'all. I got a battery charger, you leave it plugged up, it still be dropping. I'm on 37% now. Yeah, that ain't good. I'm gonna get my other battery charger. Okay. Full pass or no full pass? The first time it went up in the air, he slammed it down. The second time it spent, and I think this the third pass, right? This the third pass? This pass number 3. I hope he can make a full pass. Hey, Twisted Soul, is the followers looking good on your end? It look like I'm getting some followers. Everything looking good. No full pass. They lined them up good. He in his groove, I tell you that. Ooh, I smell radiator. Okay. Like he running hot. Sure can't wait to make a full pass, y'all. He want to feel that throttle. What's that? A little speck of oil. Transmission fluid. Y'all left a drop. He said there was a little drop of transmission fluid.
And when it came down hard earlier, it shook all kinds of shit.
Yeah, I know. Damn. Damn, man, why? I want him to stand it. I not really just had that tune. It fell. That bit looked like it was finna.
Oh, he'll drive some wheelies out.
I know, but shit, I can tell because he'll get back on it down there.
Dead hook. I mean, it went straight up. The front bar with the front end mount to it, pin on.
This car hooked while ago and didn't even want to shift. I hope it shifts this time. It ain't shift while ago. What y'all think? It's gonna shift this time or what? You heard it scratch down there? So you heard it scratch when it got all the way down there?
Hey, you say he ain't having any more.
Hey, it was something. I mean, they want to shield. How about?
Yeah,
yeah.
You didn't know about that motherfucking season.
It's the grudge race right here, y'all.
Yes, sir. What's that?
Hey. Okay.
A little bad motherfucker. Yeah.
Yeah.
A bad motherfucker. Got some cookies on the line, y'all.
Okay. They finna bet.
Oh, where's new? Shit. Hey man, I might be a little change on them.
He up there in the finals, y'all. He in the finals. Huh? He gonna get that cash. Got my boy driving. I gotta get you a new one, goddamn. What size? You 3X this time?